Alright, how's it going, everybody? My name is Johnny Welker. This is my super cool project. So, I designed this. So, I work at Symantec currently, and I'm helping in the hiring process to hire some new interns. And so, I decided to try and help make that process a little better because right now right now it's seriously all over the place. We have spreadsheets in different places, they're in different folders. We have nothing that we can see at all in one place. And we're trying to keep some statistics on it too. So I went ahead and created this project. I'm planning to actually use this, so hopefully this is valuable. So some of the concepts or chapters, I use VBA, some conditional formatting, charting techniques, tables and lists, count if, is error, and search. All right, so I'm just going to kind of run through it. So first thing is I actually think I changed the search to find, but pretty much the same deal here. Okay, so here's the initial data. So this is where I would put in. The names have been changed to protect the innocent. Get it? Anyways, I went through and I put down the name of each candidate. And then, so this will happen after, so quick explanation, there's a technical interview and then a behavioral interview. So this is everyone that we've already had a technical interview for. And then we rank their score. And this is where I did some conditional formatting, right? If it's above 50, give it a green check mark. If it's between 30 and 50, give it a yellow. If it's beneath that, just give them a red because they don't quite know enough at this point. Okay, dang it, I should have deleted this. So this button here, this is okay, well then this first. So then I just did a nested if statement to say if the score is above 50, say yes, otherwise, but if it's not that, or if it's above 35, give it a maybe, otherwise no thanks. So that's how this is working here. Okay, so this button runs a macro. Oh my gosh, are you kidding me? I'm so sorry. It's supposed to, I swear I already assigned it. Let's just do it real quick. Okay, there we go. So what this does, okay, sorry, pretend the rest of all this information isn't in here because this is all added by hand later, essentially. So I'd come in, I would just want to grab the people that are yeses so we can go ahead and interview them for the behavioral. So I click this, boom, bada bang. It inserts them here. So that's the VBA portion. So this is entered by hand. I just changed the date time of it using the formatting. Entered whether these are the categories: hire, absolutely hire, don't hire. And I did this. You can see it's a drop down. So that's how this works. And the drop down for that is over here. Some quick notes, and then I said, hey, so search in here, if it contains the word hire, then it'll show up as false, but if it's an error, it'll show up as true. So that's a little bit backwards from your thinking maybe, but once I knew that, it worked, and I could just hide that away somewhere else so no one messes with it. Then I came in here and I said, cool, let's look at some of the stats. So I pulled in the information from the sheet here. You can see it's dynamic, and their scores and everything, and I created a chart. So I said, how many have we interviewed from each type of school, BYU, UVU, U of U, online, or no school currently? And what school did we actually hire from? We hired 2 from BYU, 1 from UVU, U of U, 1 online so far. So that's kind of the gist. Hope that makes sense, and I hit everything. Thanks for taking the time to review my project. Bye.